Hi, my name is Richa Ann Moralde. Feel free to call me RA, a 34-year-old proud single mom to a beautiful baby girl. I'm the second child in the Moralde family, an undergrad pharmacist. I am also a lifelong fan of Sailor Moon and Harry Potter. Because of their story, I love the encouragement, friendship, and magic. I'm I'm also bring over 5 years experience in sales, retention, and customer support. And as a sales advisor or senior sales advisor at Concentrix, I always or consistently exceed the sales target by providing a relevant and better solution that results a 20% increase on the customer's satisfaction. And being a sales development representative at YFC Bon Eagle, it allowed me to enhance my skills regarding lead generation and customer relationship. In my free time, for me to keep fit, I love to play badminton. For make my English sharp, I love watching Netflix. And for bonding time with my baby girl, we love to watch YouTube kids like Miss Rachel, Blippi, and Blue Clues. I also love sinigang na hipon for savory dish, beef steak for hearty meal, avocado strawberries for my fruits, and nothing beats on dark almond chocolates and cotton candy for my sweet tooth. And also, I love to drink hot chocolate, not coffee, because I do have a hyperacidity. So even if it's a graveyard shift, I really refuse coffee. So I think that's all I could share about myself. So I'm excited to be part of your team and to this role because I am willing to share my sales skills, my positive attitude and energy, and also enthusiasm. So looking forward to connect with you. Bye for now.